We're here in Charlie Byrne's bookshop. It's one of Ireland's oldest bookshops and one of its best known independent bookshops. And here in Charlie Byrne's we take great interest in all Irish books, but particularly in Leabhar. And we're so happy to be involved with Galway Bay this year. Our particular interest is in helping people to reunite with the Irish language, whether it's been a long love story that they've had with it or whether they're just recently being reintroduced to it. And we try and pick a selection of books to have in store that reflects that interest that most people have. This is our second time entering the competition. We're always happy to participate in Galway Bay, and it's just such a worthwhile organisation and initiative to be involved in. So we're very happy to be involved again this year.